Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video. And right here is the Snap QI charger cell phone holder. You're like, Chris, we've seen a bunch of cell phone holders before. Well, what is different about this one? As you can see, there's a plug coming out the side of it. This is a QI wireless charger for your iPhone X, your Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, whatever phone has the QI wireless charging capability. This is absolutely fantastic. The QI coils are behind here. It's absolutely fantastic. You can listen to your music. You can play your YouTube music videos while it's charging up here. Of course, it sits right down in here, bottom of the phone right here. I'm gonna get to that in just a second. But as you push down, it kind of locks in place right there, hooks onto your ventilation system. And with most cars, it is totally okay. I know what's on the screen. Sure, it's blocking a little bit right here. I have all my volume buttons here, and then of course, all my steering wheel behind it right there. Let me show you what it looks like. We do have a micro USB coming out of the side of it. Obviously, that is to power the QI charger right here. And you can go ahead and sniper drape that in your car somewhere into a USB slot. Let me show you what it looks like sitting on it, and we'll show you how it charges here. I have the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, sits right in there, and it fires up charging. As we can see right there, does it very quickly. Let me go ahead and remove it and then put it back. You'll see how fast it fires up. Right there. Very, very nice, guys. I was driving around with it like this, playing some YouTube music videos. Of course, if you don't have Bluetooth, then obviously you got to run a AUX cable into the bottom of it, which is totally fine. Was doing that last night, playing music, driving while charging. I did have another different type of one, like a magnetic one. Unfortunately, with the charger and the AUX cable, it would pull it off because of the weight, or it would slide down. This one is nice because it does not go anywhere. And maybe to the manufacturer for generation 2, they can design one to somehow go horizontal as well. This one does only stay vertical, but it's a great cell phone holder. Pop it in, you pop it out, it starts charging right away, guys. Big enough for all your different type of phones. iPhone X, of course, this is Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. You could fit a Note 8 in there, absolutely. Let me go ahead and kind of show you guys what it looks like before it's strapped in here. Obviously, the Samsung S8 is a little bit thinner than a Note or some other type of phones, but as you can see here, once it sits down in the cradle, those arms attach right there. You drop it in, and it brings it right in like that. So it would definitely hold your phone securely. Drove home from the gym, whipping around in my electric car right here, my Fiat. Had no issues whatsoever, guys. And again, just clips right into the ventilation system. And we have a little LED light right here. Blue, obviously charging. Red, not charging. Clips right into the vent. I will link their Kickstarter campaign down in the description box below the video. Again, this is the Snap QI wireless charger. Look for that link in the description box below. You guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys on the next review. My name is Chris. Bye-bye. Delicious 70 degrees on the dot. Fiat 500e. Hillsong on my QI wireless charger. Fantastic.